In today's video, I'm going to give you a Google Keep tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin using Google Keep, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Keep website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials to log in. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access Google Keep. This secure login ensures that your notes and reminders are synced across all your devices, providing you with seamless access wherever you go. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Google Keep interface. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice the main menu icon. This menu is your gateway to navigating through different sections of Google Keep. Clicking on the main menu icon will toggle the visibility of the main controls located on the left panel. Minimizing the main controls can help declutter your workspace, allowing you to focus more on your notes and less on the interface. Moving your attention to the top center of the screen, you'll find the search bar. This powerful feature allows you to quickly locate any note, reminder, or label you've created by simply typing keywords related to your search. Whether you're looking for a specific note or trying to find all reminders set for a particular date, the search bar streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. In the top right corner, several important controls are available to manage your Google Keep experience. Here you'll see options like refresh, which allows you to update the content on your screen to reflect the latest changes. The list view option provides an alternate way to view your notes, offering a more organized and structured presentation. The settings icon lets you customize your Google Keep preferences, tailoring the application to better suit your workflow. Additionally, the Google Apps icon gives you quick access to other Google services, enhancing your productivity by integrating seamlessly with tools you already use. Finally, your profile picture or icon is located here, providing access to your account settings and enabling you to switch between different Google accounts if needed. On the left panel of the interface, you'll find several essential sections that help you organize and manage your notes efficiently. The notes section is where all your active notes are stored, allowing you to create, view, and edit them as needed. The reminders section is dedicated to time-sensitive tasks and alerts, ensuring that you never miss an important deadline or appointment. By clicking on reminders, you can view all your upcoming reminders in one place, making it easier to manage your schedule. Another vital feature in the left panel is edit labels. Labels are a powerful way to categorize and organize your notes, enabling you to group related information together for easy retrieval. By clicking on edit labels, you can create new labels, rename existing ones, or remove labels that are no longer needed. This flexibility allows you to customize your organizational system according to your preferences and requirements. The archive section is where your older or less frequently accessed notes reside. Archiving notes helps keep your main workspace uncluttered while still retaining important information that you might need in the future. When you archive a note, it is removed from your active notes section but remains accessible in the archive. If you ever need to restore an archived note, you can easily do so by navigating to the archive section and selecting the note you wish to bring back to your active workspace. Trash is the final destination for notes that you no longer wish to keep. When you delete a note, it is moved to the trash where it remains for a certain period before being permanently removed. This provides a safety net in case you accidentally delete a note and need to recover it. By clicking on trash, you can view all the notes that have been deleted and decide whether to permanently remove them or restore them back to your active notes. Now let's delve deeper into managing your notes. To view your existing notes, simply click on the notes section in the left panel. This will display all your current notes in a grid or list format depending on your preference. Creating a new note is straightforward. Click on the text bar at the top where it prompts you to take a note. Here you can start typing your thoughts, ideas, or any other information you wish to capture. Once you've finished typing your note, you can close it by clicking outside the note area or pressing the close icon. Your note will automatically be saved and appear in your notes section for future reference. One of the great features of Google Keep is the ability to customize the appearance of your notes. Changing the background color of a note can help you visually differentiate between different types of notes or highlight important information. To change the background color, open the note you wish to modify and click on the color palette icon at the bottom of the note. A variety of colors will be presented to you, allowing you to choose one that best suits your organizational needs or personal preference. This visual customization not only makes your notes more appealing, but also enhances your ability to quickly identify and access specific notes based on their color. Google Keep offers a range of additional functionalities to enhance your note-taking experience. You can set reminders for your notes to ensure that you receive timely notifications about important tasks or deadlines. Adding collaborators to a note allows multiple users to view and edit the same note, facilitating collaboration and teamwork. Incorporating images into your notes can help you capture visual information such as screenshots, diagrams, or photographs, adding another layer of detail to your content. Archiving notes is another useful feature that helps you manage your workspace effectively. By archiving a note, you remove it from your active notes section without deleting it, keeping your main workspace organized while retaining access to the note for future reference. The More option provides access to additional settings and actions, such as making a copy of the note or permanently deleting it from the trash. The Undo and Redo buttons offer a simple way to revert recent changes or redo actions if needed, ensuring that you can easily correct mistakes or adjust your notes as necessary. Closing a note is as simple as clicking the close icon, which saves any changes you've made and returns you to your main notes view. Pinning a note to the top is a handy feature for keeping important notes visible and easily accessible. When you pin a note, it remains at the top of your notes section, ensuring that it doesn't get lost among other notes and remains front and center for quick access. Switching gears to the reminders section, clicking on reminders allows you to view all your time-sensitive tasks and alerts in one centralized location. This feature is particularly useful for managing deadlines, appointments, and other important events that require your attention at specific times. By reviewing your reminders regularly, you can stay on top of your schedule and ensure that you never miss a critical task or appointment. Editing labels is another crucial aspect of organizing your notes effectively. By clicking on Edit Labels, you can create new labels, assign them to existing notes, or remove labels that are no longer relevant. Labels act as tags that categorize your notes, making it easier to group related information together and retrieve it when needed. For example, you might create labels for different projects, subjects, or topics, allowing you to quickly filter and view all notes associated with a particular label. The archive section serves as a repository for your older or less frequently accessed notes. By archiving a note, you remove it from your main notes section, reducing clutter and helping you focus on the notes that are currently relevant. Archived notes are still accessible, allowing you to retrieve them whenever necessary without permanently deleting them. This feature is particularly useful for managing long-term projects or storing notes that you want to keep for future reference without keeping them front and center in your active workspace. Within the archive, you have the option to unarchive a note, bringing it back to your main notes section. This flexibility ensures that you can easily manage and reorganize your notes as your needs evolve. Whether you're revisiting an old project or needing to reference information from a previously archived note, the ability to unarchive ensures that all your valuable information remains accessible and manageable. Navigating to the trash allows you to view all the notes that you've deleted. This section acts as a safety net, giving you the opportunity to restore notes that you may have accidentally deleted or that you changed your mind about. From the trash, you can choose to restore a note, returning it to your active notes section, or you can choose to delete it permanently, removing it from Google Keep entirely. This feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your data is not lost permanently unless you choose to remove it from the trash. When interacting with notes in the trash, you'll find that each deleted note provides you with two options: to delete it forever or to restore it. Choosing to delete a note forever will remove it permanently from Google Keep, ensuring that it cannot be recovered. On the other hand, restoring a note will move it back to your active notes section, allowing you to continue working with it as needed. These options provide you with control over your data, ensuring that you can manage your notes according to your preferences and requirements. Creating and managing notes in Google Keep is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. When you create a new note, you're provided with a text bar where you can input your information. This simplicity allows you to quickly jot down ideas, tasks, or any other information without unnecessary distractions. As you type, Google Keep automatically saves your note, ensuring that your information is preserved even if you accidentally close the browser or experience a technical issue. Customizing your notes further enhances your ability to organize and prioritize information. Changing the background color of your notes is a simple yet effective way to categorize information visually. For instance, you might choose different colors for personal notes, work-related tasks, or ideas that you want to develop later. This visual distinction makes it easier to scan through your notes and locate specific information quickly, enhancing your overall productivity. Setting reminders is an essential feature for managing your time and tasks effectively. By associating a reminder with a note, you ensure that you receive timely notifications about important deadlines or events. These reminders can be set for specific dates and times, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your schedule. Whether it's a meeting, a project deadline, or a personal commitment, reminders help you prioritize your tasks and manage your time efficiently. Collaborating with others is seamlessly integrated into Google Keep through the Add Collaborator feature. By adding collaborators to a note, you allow multiple users to view and edit the same note, fostering collaboration and teamwork. This feature is particularly useful for shared projects, group to-do lists, or any scenario where multiple people need to contribute to the same set of information. Collaborators can add, edit, and delete content within the note, ensuring that everyone involved has access to the most up-to-date information. Incorporating images into your notes is another powerful feature that enhances your note-taking capabilities. Adding an image can help you capture visual information that might be difficult to convey through text alone. Whether it's a photograph of a whiteboard session, a screenshot of important data, or a scanned document, images provide additional context and detail to your notes. This feature ensures that your notes are comprehensive and can convey information effectively, even when dealing with complex or visual content. Archiving within a note provides quick access to additional organizational options. By clicking on the archive icon within a note, you can instantly move it to the archive section, keeping your main notes section uncluttered while still retaining access to the note. This immediate archiving option ensures that you can manage your notes efficiently without navigating away from your current workspace. The More option within a note opens up a range of additional actions and settings that allow you to further customize and manage your notes. These options include making a copy of the note, which is useful if you want to duplicate information for use in another context. Permanently deleting the note from the trash can be done through the More options, providing a straightforward way to remove unwanted notes entirely from your account. The Undo and Redo buttons offer a simple and effective way to manage changes within your notes. If you make a mistake or want to revert to a previous version of your note, clicking Undo will revert the last action you performed. Similarly, if you undo an action and then decide you want to redo it, the Redo button will reapply that action. These buttons provide flexibility and control over your note-taking process, allowing you to experiment and make adjustments without fear of losing important information. Closing a note is as easy as clicking the close icon, which saves any changes you've made and returns you to your main notes view. This functionality ensures that your work is automatically saved, allowing you to move on to other tasks without worrying about losing your progress. The close feature is designed to be intuitive, ensuring a seamless transition between different tasks and notes. Pinning a note to the top of your notes section is a valuable feature for keeping important information easily accessible. When you pin a note, it remains fixed at the top of your notes list, ensuring that it doesn't get buried under newer notes. This is particularly useful for notes that you refer to frequently, such as daily to-do lists, important reminders, or key project information. By keeping these notes at the top, you can access them quickly and efficiently without having to scroll through your entire list of notes. Switching back to the reminders section, managing your reminders effectively can significantly enhance your productivity and time management. When you click on reminders, you'll see a list of all your active reminders, organized by date and time. This centralized view allows you to quickly assess your upcoming tasks and prioritize them accordingly. You can also edit or delete reminders directly from this view, making it easy to adjust your schedule as needed. Editing labels is an ongoing process that allows you to refine your organizational system as your needs evolve. By clicking on edit labels, you can create new labels to categorize your notes more precisely, or rename existing labels to better reflect their purpose. Removing labels that are no longer relevant helps keep your labeling system streamlined and effective, ensuring that your notes remain organized and easy to manage. The archive section not only serves as a repository for your older notes, but also provides tools for restoring them when needed. When you click on archive, you'll see all the notes that have been archived from your main notes section. From here, you can select any archived note to view its content, or choose to restore it back to your active notes section. This functionality ensures that your archived notes remain accessible without cluttering your main workspace. Unarchiving a note is a straightforward process that allows you to bring important information back into your active workspace. By clicking on the Unarchive option for a specific note, it is moved back to your main notes section, making it readily available for editing or reference. This feature ensures that even notes that were previously set aside can be easily retrieved and incorporated back into your workflow as needed. The trash section plays a critical role in managing deleted notes, providing an additional layer of security for your information. When you click on trash, you'll see a list of all the notes that have been moved there. From this view, you can choose to restore a note if you realize that you still need it, or you can opt to delete it permanently if you are certain that you no longer need the information. This dual option system ensures that you have complete control over your data, allowing you to safeguard against accidental deletions, while also providing a way to clean up your trash when necessary. When you click on a note in the trash, you'll be presented with two clear options: delete it forever or restore the note. Selecting delete it forever removes the note entirely from Google Keep, ensuring that it cannot be recovered. This option is ideal when you are certain that the note is no longer needed and you want to free up space or reduce clutter. On the other hand, choosing to restore the note moves it back to your active notes section, allowing you to continue working with it as if it had never been deleted. This recovery option is particularly useful in cases where a note was accidentally moved to the trash, or if you change your mind about its necessity. Throughout your use of Google Keep, staying organized and utilizing the various features effectively can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Regularly reviewing your notes, reminders, labels, archive, and trash sections ensures that your information remains up to date and well organized. By taking advantage of customization options like background colors and pinning important notes, you can create a workspace that is both visually appealing and highly functional. Additionally, leveraging collaboration features allows you to work seamlessly with others, making Google Keep a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Whether you're managing a project, coordinating with team members, or simply keeping track of your personal tasks, Google Keep provides the flexibility and functionality needed to stay organized and productive. As you become more familiar with Google Keep, you'll discover even more ways to tailor the application to your specific needs. Experimenting with different features such as setting varied reminder types or creating complex label hierarchies can help you find the optimal setup for your workflow. The intuitive design of Google Keep ensures that you can make these adjustments effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what matters most, capturing and organizing your ideas and tasks effectively. In summary, Google Keep is a versatile and user-friendly tool that offers a wide range of features designed to help you manage your notes, reminders, and tasks efficiently. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can create a personalized and organized workspace that enhances your productivity and ensures that you stay on top of your responsibilities. Whether you're using it for personal note-taking, task management, or collaborative projects, Google Keep provides the tools you need to stay organized and achieve your goals.